everyone. Today I want to show you how to do Gua Sha on your face and neck at home so you can benefit between the treatments. People come to the treatments and tell me that they love for me to do the Gua Sha on their face because they feel like they're doing a wrong job. It's really quite simple once you understand the theory behind it, and here it goes. So we have this rose quartz Gua Sha, and I want you to first work on your neck. The reason is because on our neck we have the lymph node, and we want to pump everything out from our face down, draining down to our lymph nodes, so the toxins and puffiness from our face can be processed. So first we go like this using the flat side of the Gua Sha. You see this muscle group here, and get very tight with the Gua Sha and very gently move the Gua Sha down your neck like this, and this starts creating the pump of the lymph node. Same thing to the other side. You want to glide it down so that there is no gap between the edge of the Gua Sha and your skin. The point is not for you to really press too hard so that your muscles will be relaxed, but you're actually moving the lymph and gently pumping the lymph node that's located right here. So after you're done, you want to be gliding the Gua Sha towards the lymph nodes that are distributed against the face and draining it down to the neck again. It's always center to the outer side. Center to the outer side. And here, you're not really pressing so hard, but you're pressing as if your skin is pressed just like 1 millimeter by the Gua Sha, like this. Also, always making sure that you glide outwards and you lift. Glide outwards and you lift. And we have a lymph node there too, so you want to go using the edge and draining out. Using the edge, draining out. Same thing. Never leave a gap between the Gua Sha and your skin. Gliding out and draining. Gliding out and draining. Don't be afraid to go into your scalp. We have a lot of lymph and a lot of muscles in our scalp too. So you go here, gliding down to our temporal lymph node, and always in between make sure to pump and glide down in your thoracic node, which is our really central and biggest lymph node in our body, like this. You do the same thing to the other side, and down, glide and down. When you're going into these delicate areas, you can use the tip and you can glide and drop into the temporal node, drop into the temporal. Same thing here, like this, and draining out. Not too bad, right? That's it.